How's it going, YouTube? This is Super Mike with SuperGaming here. So today what I'm doing is a much requested video, and that's going to be how to blur background images and also have a main focus inside of your thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So a very common thing that you can do is you can essentially have a background, right? Maybe you have a specific character in a game. You can select that specific character using the quick mask tool. So that's what I'm going to do here. Right, we're going to quickly select her. What I'm going to end up doing right now is I'm going to skip ahead in the point of the video where I have her selected properly. But before I do that, I'm just going to click, my bad, once I got everything here, selecting mask. This is the part I'm going to fix quick, and I'll skip ahead to when it's done. Okay, so now I have her to pretty much essentially where I want her to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. So now that she's masked, we're going to make sure that the background's actually being displayed. Now what you're going to do, you're going to select the background that you have, right? You're going to go to filter. From filter, you're going to go to blur, and you're going to choose surface blur. So the cool thing about surface blur is you can choose the radius. I'm going the full radius. You can see there's a little preview right here. And I'm also going, you can see the level. You can increase this so it's like insanely blurry or moderately blurry. So we're going to go like a little over the halfway mark so you can check it out. It's rendering right now. Boom. That is what it looks like after the full mask and everything, right? So obviously you can see it does not look that bad. If you want to make a very simple thumbnail, this is how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Go ahead, like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll be doing more quick little tips, and if you have any questions, write them down in the comments below. I'll run through a couple more videos probably on some really up there questions that I keep getting for my thumbnails and my videos. But thanks for guys for watching. I hope this ended up helping you out making your thumbnails. Peace.